Hello everyone, welcome to another video tutorial. Today I want to show how to create a slope in ArcGIS. We need them to create a slope, add them, also the study area, GIS, boundary, add. And now I want to click the them, click search, type extract, extract by mask, click on input raster, add them, input raster of feature mask data, select boundary, show, slope 1. Okay. Now off them. It is my study area. Click Add Toolbox, Special Analysis Tools, Surface, Slope, Input Raster, select them, select a folder, slope, degree, the exact factor is 1. Okay. Right click on slope, properties, go to symbology, make 5 class, apply, okay, turn off.